Am I really stuck? Holy shit, I'm fucking stuck.
I missed.
I'm actually stuck. Get me the fuck out! Get me out! I can't move! What the fuck? I can't move!
Kill it.
Holy shit!
What? You're like,
Can't move.
you're getting dry hump.
I'm coming.
Wait, Dewey, kill the raid boss. Push bot, push bot, push bot.
Wait, how are they losing? Nice. Oh, one more. Damn.
I wanna leave.
Just leave. Leave you. Oh my god. Psychopath.
Oh my god, you psychopath!
Wait.
No, I couldn't get out.
Eating.
I couldn't get out.
Oh shit, they're here for me again. This fucking... I don't think we were doing anything, but...
I'm on my way.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Kiana's missing.
Dude, he's just like sitting in here and Cho'Gath just goes through.
Oh, Cho.
Oh, god. I'm dead. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm fucking tilted.
Kiana's missing. He's down. Ooh, Eric popping off.
No.
We got everyone.
Fuck, everyone's here. Jesus fucking Christ, man. You can't get it, though. Holy fuck, dude.
Let Jacob. I'm going. Let Jacob push. Come here, fuckers.
I'm coming slowly. I have ult.
No, I used it. Here. I understand. Joe's coming for us on the other side, so get ready.
Watch out, don't go in her tunnel.
He ate me.
Come here, fucker. Get this dude.
Get that turret so I don't have to fucking deal with that shit. I'm gonna go back there
You're
again.
welcome for this.
Jacob.
Dude, shut the fuck up.
What? Who?
This fucker revealed my strat to them.
That's why I wanted to chase them, because I'm like, let Jacob.
Last a little bit. I fucking die right away. Nah, I'm not even. Of course, Joe will be there.
Fuck your warrior.
Alrighty, who wants my fucking night sword?
Me.
Do it, come here. I want. Okay, guys.
Jake, can you pull bot and fix?
Oh shit.
Come on,
Okay.
let's go. Fuck him up.
Oh yeah?
I just ulted.
I'm out of mana, boys.
Watch the.
Oh wait, she fucked up. She's...
I'm just throwing volleys from the back.
Help me.
I still have no mana. Give me a second. Let me get all these real quick.
Got the sun up. Wait, what? Hey, got the turret. Oh,
I shall kill this bitch.
dude, all these flashes, man.
No.
I'm not walking that way.
Kill us that bitch.
It's worded right here. It's worded right here. Oh.
What the fuck's going on?
Oh my god,
What the
you flashed.
fuck is that? Yo, you flashed like 50 50 fucking times. Holy shit.
She's pushing towards us, anyways.
Where's she at? I'm coming bot. It's 4.
Oh, she's in here.
I have 8 and 10.
Ooh.
6.
Oh,
I'm trying to come. What are they doing? What the fuck was
6
that?
seconds.
What the fuck was that guy? What is wrong with these people?
because they knew we didn't have vision there, so they thought they're gonna.
Yeah, but then I came. So
Yeah.
But it like wasn't even close. Like, holy shit.
check this out.
You didn't do it.
I was in it.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. It's too good.
I dropped Ignite, you see? Here, let me grab this. And then we do it again. God damn it. Oh!
Do the guide.
What the fuck? I just got to lane. Yo, this champion's so fucking balanced. What the fuck? I stood next to my fucking minions and I lost 2/3 of my life. What the fuck? Fuck this game, bro.
Wait, she stepped
I'm
on
gonna go back
Is she?
Counter Strike.
Oh, she did.
Fuck this. That's fucking retarded. This guy's just pressing EQ. No fucking brain.
Why do you think I get mad when people pick a rise, Jacob? Now you know my pain when I see it at mid.
Fuck this guy. This guy needs to burn in hell. I'm gonna send him to the fucking chamber. Fucking degenerate.
Good, save.
I got her.
Oh, you hit it. You got it.
She's gonna kill me, so do it. Kill her. Kill her.
Oh,
Kill her.
I don't have anything.
Kill her. Oh my god, hi.
I got this. I'm gonna let her hit me. I'm gonna let her hit me. Oh. That works good. I didn't have
that
anything.
Bryce.
I don't know where her calling is, and then she's scared as shit.
She's here.
There she is.
Suck my dick.
Kill her.
Yeah.
Charm that bitch.
Oh my god.
Eric, kill him. I'll PayPal you $1.
It's kinda hard, you just... Then leave.
Do that again.
Oh, fuck hell.
Horsey, you want top?
Get your ankle broken, bitch.
Ooh.
Do it! You're a monkey.
I don't play Ari. I don't know my range.
Akali's in our jungle.
Yeah, let's just keep pushing it. Hey, they're all rotating to you.
Team has destroyed a turret.
Charm her.
I already did.
He's gonna kill. You might need a ult. He's gonna burst your hair. He's gonna burst your hair.
Die, faggot! Where the fuck are you? No! You're insane! You can't save me! Fuck you!
I was just flashing.
Hey.
Dude, ward. Jesus Christ.
Can you guys
Fucking
get
ward it.
please?
Ward it. Flash
Can
ward
you
it
get
now.
this mid, please?
Flash
Can
ward
you get
it.
mid, please? Can you get
Where
mid?
I'm
ward it.
pushing.
Yeah, I'm
Flash
pushing
ward
that
it.
bad, dude.
Oh
Right
shit.
there, kill.
Get mid.
Oh, I put her to sleep.
Kill.
There you go. You go high. You woke.
Idiot.
You want this one?
Yeah, you want? Here, watch.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, that hurt.
Yeah, because
Oh,
it's right. I
fuck.
told you that.
Kill him.
Hey, let me heal real quick.
Can you guys get mid?
Yeah,
Holy
we're trying
shit.
to hide. It's not pushing hard enough. Just do your job, ABC.
Oh, well, I got the inhibitor, so that's fine.
Alright.
Akali.
Good luck, hi.
I need 10 gold.
Am I dead? Nah, I'm good. Booga. Am I dead? Nah, I'm good.
Oh,
I'm coming, guys. I'll fucking wait for you.
Ooh, I'm on shit.
Let's go. Let's fuck them all up.
Hey, here, I got this. Good job. Look at these plays. Look at these plays. Ready?
Oh, you hit her. Or him.
Die, you fucking fag.
I told you. I told you I'm a god.
Wait,
Fuck
you
you,
guys
dude.
get
You
paid
didn't say
that
fuck
hard?
you. Fuck you. Fuck you, dude. I'll fucking kill you again.
Hey, Jacob, come here.
Oh god.
Holy.
Fuck you, dude. You didn't say that shit. That shit disappeared at 1200.
Oh man.
Wait, hi.
Wow, rare footage of my support landing a Q right there. Did you see that?
Oh god.
The mid lane. I didn't even know there was a Malphite in this game.
Oh!
What's on my?
He flashed.
My team is insane.
Why do they all have to flash?
You're lying.
Alright, I got you. I got you.
Oh my god. Get the fuck out of there. You're dead.
Go evade him. Go epic.
Oh my god, fuck!
He goes en route.
He doesn't have ult. He doesn't have ult.
Yeah, because he had ult me.
Yeah, I know.
Again.
What's your
Fucking,
point?
fucking asshole.
Hi.
I'm predicting like fucking, what?
This is literally a straight line. Like,
He was walking upwards, I was predicting this.
how do you... We're out of
Does
five
Lux have
already.
flash? Does Lux have flash? Oh, I stepped into the trap.
I fucking hate this.
Just open. Just open. I'm done.
I have
I'm
ult him every single time. I swear, he's dying alive. 5. Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Wow, there's Morgana's to touch 5.
I'm gonna get stunned by everything again. Don't mind me.
6 seconds. I'm just gonna walk you up.
This is all I gotta say. Why didn't that shield more do it? Fuck.
Walk down towards me, I'll heal you.
Just walk up and just say, "Give me them guts, ho." And then if she says no, you say, "Okay, sorry. Here's my $22 for bowling."
I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
Hey, how you doing?
Nobody can-
How you
That's
do it
that.
first, and then I'll try. Alright?
You're good?
You shot.